Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making the iron safe and accessible. Even while I skip obvious setup, you must unplug and empty water. Next, flip the iron and remove the visible screws holding the sole plate and lower housing using a Phillips driver. Keep parts aligned so reassembly is simple. Once done, pry the base clips gently with a plastic spudger to avoid marring plastic, and separate the two halves just enough to access the steam chamber and wiring beneath. You now expose the steam chamber and heating assembly. Identify the small plastic steam hose and release it from its clamp so you can move the chamber freely. Then remove screws securing the thermostat and heating element bracket and gently lift the element. Support it so wiring isn't stressed. Make sure to document each wire with a photo or label. Once you have clear photos, use a multimeter to check continuity on the element so you know whether it's faulty before removing fragile. You finish by freeing the last contacts and lifting the heating element out evenly to avoid cracking ceramic. Support it as you pass wires through housing. Replace any worn gaskets or the temperature sensor while you have full access. Then reassemble in reverse order. Align clips, seat the sole plate, and run screws just until snug to avoid stripping. If a screw or part is seized, apply a little heat or penetrating lubricant, wait, and retry. That usually frees stubborn hardware without.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.